Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back. Happy New Year to you all. I love New Year's. It's such a wonderful time of year of new beginnings and new options and a whole bunch of bright new ideas. And I always get really, really happy. My birthday's also coming up on January 6th, so that's another reason to be all happy. Tonight we're going to be using some... That's Baxter howling, sorry. Tonight we're going to be using some really beautiful colors that make me very, very happy, and I hope they make you happy too. So let's get started. This is a 20 by 24 inch gallery wrapped canvas from Artist Loft. I have taped and pinned the back, and I have painted my sides and edges with my Prussian Blue. So let me show you my colors real quick because they're really, really pretty. Also, I wanted to show you my nail polish, which is actually this little piggy in hoity-toity. That I was having some fun today with some clear nail polish, but it looks so cool. Do you see the shift on it, HOA?
Yep.
So that's actually hoity-toity. I love it. So really fun. Let me show you the colors real fast. This one is Pebeo Studios Iridescent Green Blue, one that I've been having a lot of fun with lately. Absolutely gorgeous color. And when it dries, it does this really beautiful shifty thing, which I just love. I think it's so beautiful. Also, we have here some Prussian Blue from Golden. I have kept everything kind of on the thicker side tonight because I want to do a WanderRing ring pour, and I really want to keep the shape of my lines. This is my DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. I am using my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol Pouring Medium. Okay. And then I have this mysterious color, which I'm really enjoying all over again, and I keep adding more to it. So, but this is essentially DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in emerald green with a little bit of Prussian blue in it. Beautiful, beautiful stuff. And then we have some copper here. This is actually a combination of the Sargents copper and what I had left as that fire opal color from last time. Been really into playing with my leftovers lately and mixing them up, and it's kind of fun actually. And then I also have some Amsterdam Pearl Yellow. My little love affair still continues. I love the way this stuff looks, and I'm really enjoying it using it instead of white, just plain white. I'm using that instead, and it gives a really cool effect. So let me get my gloves on and we will get started. Okay, so we're gonna actually layer 2 small cups. For that size canvas, 20 by 24, we need about 17 ounces of paint. These are 9-ounce cups, so if I fill them to the top, that's about 18 ounces. I also have a very pretty base coat color here, that indigo drip, but sparkly, that I've been working with. One of my colors last time had a lot of little bumps in it, so I actually strained this tonight, so it's nice and smooth now, and I hope to avoid that problem in the future. And you can use just a regular strainer before you paint through it and get the bumps out. Awesome. Okay, so let's layer these 2 cups. Okay, let's start off with a little bit of that Prussian Blue. And then we're going to put some of this Iridescent Green Blue on there because I love it. I love the contrast of those 2 next to each other. It's so pretty. We're going to put a little bit of gold in. And then I'm going to put a little bit of this pearl yellow in. And now we're going to come in with that mysterious. Okay. And I think I want another layer of the pearl yellow before I put the copper on there. And then we're going to do that again with the Prussian. Iridescent greenish blue. A little bit of gold. A little bit of pearl yellow. More of that pretty mysterious. Copper. Some more pearl yellow. And we'll see if we can get one more layer in there, or at least some more of the... I'm going to end it with a little bit of the pearl yellow, because our base coat color is going to be that darker indigo, and this will provide a really pretty contrast. Pull these over. So for our WanderRing ring pour, I'm going to pour a little bit of this across this area. I'm just going to tilt that down just a little bit. And like over those edges. Okay. And I just want to give our paint something to move around in on that way. I'm going to bring it back this way just a little bit too. Okay. There we go. Alright, so we're going to start about over here, HOA. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love. Just we pray.
Happy New Year, darling.
Happy New Year to you.
Here we go. Okay, so we may not need all of this second cup, and that's fine. I think I'm actually going to start this one like over here. Ready, honey?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, that's pretty. Alright. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit more of our base coat down this way. I'm actually going to spread that out too. Alright, let's tilt this out. This is really pretty. I love all of these colors in here. This is really beautiful. And the reason that I didn't go just straight across, that I did go up and down, is I want it to have some shape as it's moving around. I don't want it to just all move as one straight line. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go this way and bring it back and come down. I do want to leave some negative space on here. Take this down and anchor the other edge as well. Now we can go this way a little bit more. Actually, I do want to take this part right to the edge too. I'm going to get the weight of the paint back to the center, and we're going to take that extra over the corner there. A little longer base coat off. Take this back down. I don't really want to tilt this side to side very much because I like the lines that we're getting. I might take a little bit off of the bottom though, because there does seem to be a lot of paint still moving. That's pretty cool. What do you think, HOA?
That's cool.
You like it?
It's like hippie grass. Well, just the color is not just like a regular green lawn. All these groovy colors in it.
This part's really cool. I wasn't sure I was going to like this, but I actually really like these curves that are in there. Let's torch this. just take maybe this side down just a little bit more. Maybe move this up just a smidge.
It's very graphic. It kind of has a kind of an Art Deco Patrick Nagel sort of.
We're back to Miami Vice again.
I wasn't gonna say Miami Vice.
Usually you only say that when I put purple and turquoise together. Maybe it's the turquoise that does it for you. Okay, so.
I meant the way that the gradations work. It's really cool.
I think this looks really neat. Okay. Let's just fix our edges here. Is this side good? Side facing you is good?
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. I'm gonna dry my hands off one more time. We'll give this one more torch, and I think we are going to be done. This turned out pretty. I think this is going to dry beautifully because there's some really cool stuff happening. Like up in here, I don't know if you can see it on this edge, but there's like some of that coppery gold, and then some of the iridescent green blue, and then of course we have the Prussian in there with the cells coming up, which is pretty cool. And we got some cells coming up through these lines too. I love this part. It's really pretty actually, which is cool. I wasn't sure I was gonna like the copper in it, but I do. Let's start it one more time. Okay, that's pretty cool. I like it. Okay, I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. Okay, let's look at some dried results that we couldn't see before because it's been raining here forever. This was our Fire Opal Wanderlust pour. This one turned out so cool. This pink is just amazing with that gorgeous deep purple and the copper bronze Fire Opal color. It's just really, really pretty. So that one is cool. Unfortunately, it's going to rain again tomorrow, so we still have no sunlight. There's some really awesome sections in here that I really like. So this one's just really very poppy, very striking and dramatic. So this was the Fire Opal Wanderlust. Let me go get the next one. Okay, so this one is Christmas Lights. I've decided I kind of like it better vertically like this rather than horizontally. This one came out very, very pretty. We used that mysterious color. We got all these beautiful cells in here, which I really like. And up here with a little bit of gold. And that beautiful indigo negative space, which does indeed look black. So that was Christmas Lights. Really fun piece. I like the 15 by 30s. It's a really awesome size. The one from today is not dry yet, but I will show you it how it is right now. So not dry yet. You can see where it is drying up around the edges on the top. It's just been cold and rainy and nothing is drying fast. So, but this one turned out really, really cool. I really like all of these colors, that gorgeous mysterious and the iridescent green blue and the Prussian and the copper and the gold and that pearl yellow, which is going to get nice and golden, soft gold when it's dry. But I really like how this one turned out. I realized it was kind of short and sweet and fast, but you know, I'm actually trying very hard to get away from repouring it over and over and over and actually like give it a chance and let the paint do what it's supposed to do and look awesome. So trusting the process, that's what I'm doing. There we go. Yeah. I love this part though. Really, really cool. Like this fan and then all these beautiful colors and lines with the little cells popping up in there. Really beautiful stuff. And I really like the top edge, how it's not straight across. It makes me happy. So, okay, I'm gonna get off of here before I fall off the ladder. But thank you all so much for being here with us today. We wish you a very, very happy new year, and we'll see you on Sunday. Thanks for being with us. Bye-bye.
Yeah, what's the matter? What you got? What is that? It's like your nose is so dirty. So excited, Dad.